Alright, we're down here at S-Bomb today and we've got, introduce yourself.
Weston Super Motovlog.
There you go, see, coming down and spending the day with us down here at S-Bomb.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are heading down across Somerset, kissing Wiltshire and down into Dorset to go to Poole, right on the south coast, and visit the S-Bomb Vintage Workshop. Now if you don't know about the S-Bomb Vintage Workshop, I suggest you get down there ASAP because it's damned awesome. A couple of years ago there was a pilot show on the BBC called Speed Shop, and it was based down in Poole at the Vintage Workshop, where the guys headed by Titch Cormack, who's ex-Special Forces, actually took on a commission to build an off-road bike for an ex-paratrooper who'd lost his leg in conflict. It was a story of that build amongst others. I think unfortunately it just happened at the wrong time because it kind of started and then COVID hit and sort of all businesses, including the BBC that we apparently own, pulled a lot of money out from anything that posed any risk. I was chatting to Titch down there last year when I went down, and he said they just basically pulled the plug because they weren't prepared to put any money into anything that wasn't a dead cert. And that surprised me because I thought from watching it the first time that we needed something like that, a bit real, a bit sort of Orange County Choppers, but without all the bullshit and the Americanness of it. So I'm heading on down. It is a coffee shop, it's a workshop, it's a bar, it's a club. It's right on the harbour, as you'll see in a short while. It's a stunning, picturesque location. And the company down there is brilliant. The guys down there will chat for England, which is about right. I think there's quite a lot of ex-forces down there, and those guys do like to talk. So I'll catch up with you in a little while when we get there. I've got about 30 minutes before I arrive in Poole. We'll come back on and I will introduce you to S-Bomb Vintage Workshop and as many of the guys as I can. So we're now coming into Poole. I have ignored all the roads closed ahead signs purely because this is the way the sat-nav's telling me to go, and I don't know Poole apart from this way in. So see, road ahead closed. What's gonna happen now? Do we risk it? I don't know. I think we just risk it. See how far I can get.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Well, after a little detour due to road closures, I'm now coming into Poole. I'm about 3 minutes away. Took a bit longer than I was expecting because I've not come in this way before. Come out this way but not in this way, so took me a little bit by surprise when we ended up at a road closed situation. I say surprised. There were dozens of signs, I just chose to ignore them. My theory is if he can get through, so can I. And that looks like it's stopped. We just basically need to turn around up there, double back on ourselves and job done. Pop into this lane on the right hand side, all being very naughty of course, and then turn right down here and then left in here. have arrived.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
So that was an awesome trip down to S-Bomb in Poole. They're just such a good team down there, really friendly. And I love going down there actually, the merchandise is great. They didn't have what I wanted today, which is a cap, but they are ordering some. It just means I'll have to come back down again, won't it? That's a big boat. Anyway, I'm going to make a trip back now. Snake it back up, probably join the motorway to speed it up a little bit. So stay safe guys, take care, and I'll catch you on the flip side.